If you want customers, your website needs to be easy and intuitive to use. Luckily, you can design a beautiful store in minutes if you choose the right Shopify theme. Hey everyone, it's Jessica with Oberlo, and today we're going to look at what to consider when picking a store theme, as well as some top tips to help. And stay with us until the end of the video, because we'll also share some free tools to help you create a killer website. First things first, Shopify comes with a default theme, and you have the option to customize it or pick a different theme. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with using the default theme. In fact, there are many good reasons to. It's easy to use, it works incredibly well, and it's a great introduction to various theme features and styling options. Even if you don't like the look of the default theme, we recommend playing around with it before jumping into another theme. You'll learn a lot. When you're ready to pick a custom theme, don't base your theme choice on things like colors or fonts, as you can customize those elements in any theme. Okay, with that in mind, there are two main things to remember when choosing a theme. First, the customer experience. Have you ever visited a poorly designed online store? Chances are you didn't stay long. Although visitors may not be able to articulate why a website isn't well designed, you can be sure that they feel it. And in today's market, consumers expect e-commerce websites to be perfectly tailored to their needs and desires. That's why great designs feel personal. So when choosing a free Shopify theme, you need to start with your customers in mind. How old are they? What types of jobs do they have? Where do they live? What are their interests? The key is to get specific. Once you know exactly who you're targeting, you need to decide what kind of experience you want your customers to have when they're browsing your store. Should they feel inspired, relaxed, motivated? If you sell apparel, maybe you want visitors to step into a world of elegance. If you sell toys, maybe you want your customers to think along more playful lines. And if you sell sports equipment, maybe you want people to feel motivated and energetic. Whatever you decide, make sure that feeling or emotion is communicated throughout your entire website with layout, font, and color. Here's a great example from Nixon. Just look at the homepage image alone, the coffee, wooden table, and the relaxed but organized layout of all the products. These details resonate with design-minded men, their target market. Also, at the bottom of the site, Nixon shares their brand story alongside an image of a skateboarder carrying a surfboard, two more of their target markets. Bottom line, if your store design is doing its job, it should make your target market feel at home, keep the focus on your products, and make it easy for your customers to buy. Okay, once you understand the experience that you want your customers to have, you can then work out the features you need on your website to create that experience. Perhaps you want feature product videos or lots of customer reviews. Maybe you want to tell your brand story like Nixon. Or maybe you want to focus on visitors' attention on your low prices and discounts. How many products do you plan to sell? Some themes are better suited to just one or two products, whereas others are optimized for entire catalogs. Whatever you decide, avoid doing too much at once. You might be tempted to showcase all your products, tell your brand story, share lifestyle photos, and start a blog. But when starting out, keep it simple. Remember, the emotions leading up to purchase decisions are often negative. Visitors might be feeling anxious, stressed out, or fearful of parting with their money. Your aim is to create a cohesive, organized, and intuitive layout that minimizes those fears. A great example of this is UGMonk. The website is uncluttered, clear, and concise. Their homepage doesn't feel overwhelming. It keeps the focus on best-selling products, and their main menu divides the products into intuitive categories. What's more, when you scroll down, you see a few choice products from each category, which makes for easy browsing. UGMonk also uses a banner at the top of the page to highlight sales and offers. Remember, there are seemingly endless website features available, so think about what is most important for you to highlight, and keep it simple. For more ideas on which features to include on your website, check out your competitors. What are they doing that you like, and how can you emulate it? What don't you like about their designs? And how can you avoid making the same mistakes? In summary, before you start installing and customizing your Shopify theme, it's best to know who you're designing for, the type of experience you want to create for them, and the website features you want to use. Having a clear understanding of these things will help you to find the best free Shopify theme for your store and customize it perfectly for your customers. Once you've done this, it's time to start browsing the best free Shopify themes. First, head to the Shopify theme store and select Free. This will bring up the 10 free Shopify themes. The Shopify theme store then gives you plenty of filters to help you identify the perfect theme for your store. First, select how many products you plan on selling. This is a great jumping off point. Next, you may want to scroll down to the last filter. Here, you're able to filter themes based on recommended industries. But remember, these are only recommendations. A theme that's labeled for the electronics industry might also work perfectly for your fashion business. Now go through each of the other filter options. Use your answers to the questions we've just talked about to guide you, and view the demo to see each theme in action. Remember, the demos are just examples. You can continue to customize each theme for your own needs. Each theme has its own dedicated page where you can find more information and reviews of the theme. But what if you see a theme that looks perfect, but is missing a few features you want for your store? Simply check the Shopify App Store. Here, you'll find apps that extend your theme's functionality. And remember, all free Shopify themes come with free support from the Shopify Theme Support Team. So if you have any questions about a particular theme, reach out to them at support@shopify.com. All in all, there are quite a few options when it comes to choosing the best free Shopify theme for your store. So before you settle on a theme, test a few out and compare how they work for your brand. Also, Shopify has a host of free tools to help you create an awesome dropshipping store. These include a logo generator, slogan generator, and 3 other tools to help you create web pages for your privacy policy and refund policy. Links to all of these tools are in the description below. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to picking a store theme. First, be clear on what you hope to achieve with your website's design. Then, use filters to narrow things down to your best options. After that, start experimenting. Do you have any other questions about the best free Shopify themes? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll reply with my thoughts. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more. Until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.